So here is another question on arithmetic progression. So here it is given, find the values of a and b, small a and small b, such that the numbers in the sequence a, 9, b, 25 and so on, they form an AP. So we have to find out the values of a and b such that the given sequence, it forms an AP. So we have the sequence, the AP sequence, it is given as A, 9, B, 25. Okay, like this. One of the most important characteristics, the only condition for the important condition for AP is that the difference between successive terms, it should be the same, constant. That is, each term, it differs from its previous term by the same constant value. So here a is the first term, so this difference 9 minus a, b minus 9 and 25 minus b, it should be the same. So 9 minus a, it should be equal to b minus 9, it should be equal to 25 minus b, the common difference, constant difference. So this is the condition. Now it is already given that this sequence of numbers, it is an AP. So by definition it should be equal. So now we'll take these two. Okay, b minus 9 is equal to 25 minus b because they have b in common. So it will be b plus b, it is equal to 25 plus 9, that implies 2b is equal to 34, that implies b is equal to 34 by 2, which is equal to 17. So we have got the value of b as 17. Okay, now we'll take these two. Okay, 9 minus a is equal to b minus 9, or that implies 9 minus a is equal to, putting this value of b, that is 17 minus 9, that implies 9 minus a is equal to 8, that implies a is equal to 9 minus 8, which is equal to 1. So we have the value of a is equal to 1. So this sequence, it is 1, a is equal to 1, then 9, b is equal to 17 and then 25. So here this AP, it has its first term equal to 1 and the constant difference d, it is equal to 8. Okay, and it is maintained throughout. 9 minus 1, 8, 17 minus 9, 8, 25 minus 17, 8. So we just, it was asked to find the values of a and b. So a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 17. Okay, so this is the thing. So here is another question on arithmetic progression. So here it is given to find the nth term or the general nth term and the 16th term, the particular 16th term of the arithmetic progression given by 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. Okay, so here first the AP, the arithmetic progression, that sequence, it is given by 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. So here in the general or nth term formula, there are two things which are very important. First, it is the first term a, which is equal to 3, and next is the common difference. So here the common difference between each successive term, it is equal to 5 minus 3, it is equal to 2, 7 minus 5, that is also equal to 2, 9 minus 7 is equal to 2, 11 minus 9, it is equal to 2. You don't need to do all the, you have to calculate all the differences. It is not necessary. It is already given, it is an AP. So here, just to make you understand, I did these calculations. So the constant common difference, it is D is equal to 2. Okay, small d is equal to 2. So we have A is equal to 3, D is equal to 2. Okay, the first term and the common difference. Now we determined the formula for the nth term of the AP, which is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so we have the first term, A is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to 2. So this is equal to 3 plus 2n minus 2. So it is 3 minus 2 plus 2n is equal to 2n plus 1. So this is the representation of the nth term. Okay, this. Now we have to also calculate the 16th term. So again, if we put the same formula here, that is T16, which is equal to, here it will be A plus 16 minus 1 into D, or A plus 15D. So it will be A is equal to how much? It is 3. 3 plus 15 into the common difference, which is equal to 2. So it is equal to 3 plus 30, it is equal to 33. This way also you can calculate, or this formula which you determined, 2n plus 1, the general formula. Tn is equal to 2n plus 1. So T16 is equal to 2 into 16 plus 1, which is equal to 32 plus 1, which is equal to 33. So this way also you will get the same result. T16 is equal to 33, the 16th term of the given AP. Okay, so the general concept of the nth term formula, A plus n minus 1 D. Okay. So here is another question on arithmetic progression. So here it is given to find the nth term and the 12th term of the arithmetic progression, which is given by 14, 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, and so on. Now first we have to write the arithmetic progression, that sequence of numbers. So we have 14, we have 9, we have 4, minus 1, minus 6, and so on. So the two most important components of an AP, they are first, the first term A, and next is the common difference between the successive terms. So here the common difference is 9 minus 14, which is equal to minus 5. Okay, 4 minus 9 minus 5. Okay, then minus 1 minus 4 minus 5, yes, and minus 6 minus minus 1, which is equal to minus 6 plus 1, which is equal to minus 5. So yes, a constant difference of minus 5 is maintained throughout. So we have the first term A is equal to 14, and the constant difference D is equal to minus 5. Now for the nth term, now we determine the formula for the nth term of an AP, which is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula for the general nth term of an AP. So here if we put the values, Tn will be equal to 14 plus n minus 1 into minus 5. So it is equal to 14 plus minus 5n plus 5, which is equal to 19 minus 5n. So this is the general term of the given AP in terms of n, 19 minus 5n. Now it has also been asked to find out the 12th term. So you can go either way. You can simply here put the value Tn, that is 19 minus 5 into 12, or you can go with this way. So we'll do them both ways so that there is no confusion. So the first way, that is T12 is equal to A plus 12 minus 1 into D, which is equal to A plus 11D. That is equal to how much? It is A is equal to 14 plus 11 into minus 5, which is equal to 14 minus 55. So that is equal to how much? Minus 41. Yes, 55 minus 41. Yes, 41. Minus 41. Yes. Next, if we go this way, that is Tn is equal to 19 minus 5n. So if we put in place of n 12, it will be 19 minus 5 into 12. So it is 19 minus 60. So this way also it is equal to minus 41. So the 12th term is equal to minus 41. Both ways, either way you go, it is the same thing, minus 41. That is the 12th term. Okay, so here we determine the nth general term and also the 12th term, minus 41.